Flow is located in Loudoun County, Virginia. We also have a location in Lorton, Virginia, and we cover all commercial, residential, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical needs. We also do generators. Flow started as HVAC. We included plumbing into it to service our customers better, and now we've evolved into electrical also so we can give the customer the whole home experience. They don't have to call a different company because they need electrical repair or a different company because they need a plumbing repair. We can do it all for them, usually in the same day.
The culture here is we're transparent, we're honest, and we're reliable. You call us, we're gonna be honest with you. We're gonna tell you the ins and the outs, and even within employee to employee, we're all a big family.
Training here is very important. We do training constantly from the management level on down. Management meets every day. Our teams meet once a week, and I do a lot of training myself throughout the month.
There's handfuls of customers that I've gotten to know on a personal level, or since I did grow up in the area, we'll have customers call in and I'm like, oh my gosh, you were my high school principal, or I grew up with your son, and it's just nice in our area, since Northern Virginia is so big. It's nice working at a company that it takes me back to my small hometown of Purcellville, because Purcellville is very small. I get to talk to those people again, and I know their history or I know their story. It's nice.
We want our customers to experience the best customer experience possible, from the time we answer the phone all the way through to the services or installation is complete. Our technicians, when they arrive to a home, we expect them to be in uniform. We expect their trucks to be clean. Take the time to talk to the customer, give them all the options that they need to make an educated decision on moving forward with repair or replacement. Flow has built trust over the years with homeowners by the dedication that we have to the homeowner, the follow-ups, to doing what we need to do to make things right. I hope our homeowners feel that we give them what they paid for: the best service, the best product, and the best care.